Alright, so what I have here is a collectible Budweiser mug that somebody gave me, and I'm gonna try to sell it, but it's got some writing on the bottom with a marker. So I'm gonna assume that writing right there devalues this a little bit. So let's see if we can get it off with a magic eraser. Wow, comes right off with almost no effort. It doesn't seem to be rubbing off the actual writing. And then I'm just going to put a little dab of water on there, get it wet. There we go. I'm going to use my daughter's sock to dry it up. So, in about 10 seconds, I got that permanent marker off the ceramic, and this thing looks brand new. So there's your tip of the day: how to restore or how to remove permanent marker from ceramic.